Okay, well, you guys buried a trench and brought a line in.
Yeah,
Maybe it wasn't fiber.
This is what they brought in.
Okay.
Because if they brought fiber in here, you wouldn't have none of this. We don't even use all this for fiber.
Will there be a point where we get fiber anyway? I mean, is that becoming a norm?
Not from us.
Okay.
So here's the thing with the fiber. For Spectrum to bring fiber in here, that means they need to bring fiber in from that whole node. Everybody has to have fiber.
Yes.
They only doing fiber for the new places that's been built from ground up that doesn't have a tap over there.
Yeah.
They're able to put fiber over there right then and there.
That's the way it was with cable here for many years.
Yeah.
This area was not accessible. Nobody had it. And then finally, that bank over there got it, and it made it a little bit
Once
easier.
that bank got it,
and then the DOT, they got it. So
yeah, once they paid to have a tap put in, then yeah, because construction has to come out. Our construction has to come out and see if there's able to run a tap over this way. Then once they put a tap over this way, everybody can run off that tap.
okay, yeah.
Since I don't see no red marks, it tells me it hasn't been down. But if it's not down for more than 3 minutes, it's not going to show a red mark.
Right.
And if you're having power outages, then yeah, it will go down. If you're having any power surges,
And I'm not aware of any power surges. I mean, lights
no,
don't
what you
flicker
was telling me,
in that. Yeah.
in this,
Yeah.
yeah. So
So-
if you're having anything power surge or something in here, it's gonna go down because it's running from here to here to here.
Now it's hooked up to that UPC down there, and that's running.
Yeah.
So I mean, you would think that the UPC would keep the power
Keep
steady.
the power, yeah. And the signals are pretty good.
Hey, did somebody let me know when the phones go back up? Just yell at me. They back up?
Phones are up. All right, how are you?
I'm doing all right. You doing pretty good today?
Oh, okay. Just want to come watch somebody knows what they're doing work.
The reason Spectrum isn't picking up the outages is because they're only 1 second. They won't pick them up unless they're at least 3 seconds long.
3 minutes.
Three minutes.
minutes long.
Okay. So it looks like we're isolating it, and it is looking like that the firewall right here.
That old firewall?
Yeah. Well, I don't know how old it is. I don't know if Jay replaced it. That might be the one that we've had for years, but
Easy enough to find out.
So basically what I'm looking at right now is our DQI. DQI is our signal at real time, and it needs to stay at 10. And that's what I'm looking at right now on channel 122, which is frequency 777 megahertz, which is an internet frequency. So I'm looking at that and seeing if it's dropping. And I like to look at it for a couple of seconds, couple of minutes,
Sure.
just to see if it drops, because it floats at real time. And I can DQI. See? You see the little blue line moving?
Yeah.
As long as it don't dip, the signal's not dropping. The signal's not dropping.
So what?
But like I explained to him, you can lose internet out of here and still have internet here.
the firewall is kind of like a filter
Yeah.
to stay.
So internet is flowing from here to here, from here to here. So the easiest way to look at it is they got two two solid blue lights on here.
Yeah.
If you're down and you walk back here and you got two solid blue lights and a blue light up there, then this is your problem. If you got two solid blue lights and a red light up there, this is your problem. But if you got a solid blue light at the top and the bottom one is blinking blue and white, this is your problem.
I got you. So we're the power and online buttons.
Yes.
Okay.
You can see that. I can't see that.
Yeah. Okay. I got you. So if they're on and that's on, and we're down, it's this.
Yeah.
If this is on and that's blinking red, it's this.
Now, here's the thing.
Yeah.
Yesterday, I seen one of them yesterday and couldn't figure out how it worked. It's a router. That little bitty thing right here,
Yeah.
it's a router. I was at a place and couldn't figure out how it worked. And I'm like, okay, something's wrong. That can't be a router.
Now, what about that? That's a router, isn't it?
I don't know what that is. I think that's dealing with your phone system.
Probably so. Probably so. If that was a router down there.
Yep, that is dealing with your phone system.
Yeah. Okay.
That's how your phone system is working voice over IP.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a router.
Well,
But that's the second time I've seen one because I was shocked on what it was.
it's kind of typical. We don't want to take anything out of here because we don't know.
What to take out.
Right. We don't want to unplug anything that's
Now,
actually
you know,
working.
if that's your old phone system, you can go ahead and take that out.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. But the connections.
It shouldn't be connected no more. Yep, right here. It shouldn't be connected. Everything's right there.
Okay.
Nothing should be connected no more.
But this gray cord, it's all connected to that gray cord, which is coming down here. So trying to disconnect that.
We got a gray cord running too. Oh, it's running to the black. Okay, it's
See, that's where I don't want to mess with stuff.
and that gray cord is not running to here. It's running to here.
Okay.
Yeah. See, you can see the gray it coming out,
Yeah.
and it's running all the way up here to here. It's your this is your 66 block.
It might as well be brain surgery. I mean, disconnect one wire and lose your place and
Well,
just-
I'm gonna be honest with you. This don't mean nothing to you no more. None of this.
yeah.
Because this is phone. All of this is phone. All of this is phone.
Okay.
It means nothing to you no more. You're not running phone off of this. You're
Yep,
running
right.
phone on voice.
Yes. Yep.
So none of this means nothing to you no more. None of it.
Yeah.
You can actually take all this down and let it hang. None of this needs nothing.
What about this?
That's AT&T. You don't have AT&T.
No, that could go too.
Actually, this can't go because the whole thing is running up through there.
Yeah. 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 You see how confusing it becomes.
Yeah.
We've been in.
And I know because this is what I deal with. When we run phone out of here, let's say you wanted your phone lines running. Then I would take this and I would run it to one of these 66 blocks after I tone out your phone lines. These are number phone lines. That's all they are. You're not using phone lines.
Right.